We've got to start this video off by explaining why we do not have the Pro Power engine in this video. Because I done the right thing and posted a video completely out of order. So the last video you guys watched was the last race we done, St. Francis County, the controversial son won the championship. And I feel that I had to post that and get that out there as soon as possible. So let's go back in time to where we just put the Pop Power 2.0 motor in the car and we headed to Pevely to see how she done. And that would be a perfect time to tell you, if you haven't watched the video before this, pause this right now, head back, and watch the video. Titled something like, The Biggest Screw Job in History. Anyway, it's one to watch, and what unfolds is absolutely mind-boggling, okay? Go watch that, come back and watch this, and let's get this party started. What's playing tonight? Welcome, guys. We are unloaded at Federated Auto Parts Raceway. First time we've been here with Chucky, and we're going to see what he can do. We also got Pop Power 2.0 laid in this thing right here, 406 small block Chevrolet, and we're ready to rip this thing. We got us a neat little spot here right in the corner. Grandstands will be right there, so we'll be real close to our stuff, and we're going to rip it. So we drew a 47. Don't know if that's good or bad. All I can tell you is they go off passing points, so it's kind of like the way Chase's track is set up. The more you pass, the better you start in the feature. So we'll go up there and hot lap, see how the engine responds, make sure everything is up and up, and if it is, we're going to put her in full send mode. We're going to run the crap out of it. So looking forward to seeing how this thing runs. We'll strap in, lock her down, and let's get this party started.
That was one of the best features the World of Outlaws ever had. And they were genuine about it. I mean, it wasn't, you know,
Missing a little fuel. Ain't much in it.
Ain't that on the stick, bud.
Alright. We're in heat 1, 4th row inside. Oh, there's several cars here tonight. It says 26. So we got some pretty good cars in there. See if we can make our way a little bit forward. They're on passing points, so the further we get, the better we are in the feature. So here she is. Here I am. We might as well make something of it. See if we can get done. Big shout out to Dirtcarlift. Getting us up and down here in style. Stack panel's looking good. We got nice fresh rubber on this thing. We're ready to get it. And it's super nice in here. We got the air conditioner cranking. I got my, I'm cheating a little bit. I got my helmet right there, getting the cold air blowed in it. So we're ready to get going. Hot laps coming up. Guys, just got my cool down period. It is humid out here. That thing with the air conditioner is, man, that's where it's at. The curtains, turn 2, nice.
All right, so we just got done hot lapping. Car was okay, but it could use some improvement. It's probably more the driver than anything. We just don't run here a whole lot. So we've done a few things to get a little bit more traction in the car, and the speeds here are a little bit better than like Farmington, so stuff's a little different. So we'll see what that does. Go out in the heat race. We start 4th row inside, but like I said, we're based on passing points. But anyway, let's see what we can do. You guys make sure to get that all the way clean.
Yeah,
all the way.
well,
There you go.
Chase is just dancing.
You got any motors in your pocket, Chase?
Yeah.
You got one?
I have one. Look, it's right here, $10,000.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, that's nice. We got a little bit of below by. We came to the assumption she was slobbering out the overflow there. Dad drained a whole bunch of it out, so seems we're not sealing on the rings or something. So
Might not be sealed.
yeah. So we'll have to pull her back out and assess the situation.
Could be good.
Oh, we're done for that.
What?
Yeah. Motor has got.
Got
She's
blow
sick.
by out the yin yang.
Oh yeah. I don't have enough oil with me, bud.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. The good thing is all the oil pan's completely intact. No, it just kind of faded out, and I just wanted to save it and pull in. So good thing we did. We'll figure it out, but I don't know. Either way, we even with a motor that it didn't really ever have much usable power, it's coming through the turns on throttle pickup. It didn't really have much, and it would get me tight. I muscled it through there, and we actually Our lap times were decent enough. We could have ran like third in that heat, which would have been good starting 7th. Gained 4 positions. It would have probably done us pretty good in the feature for setting us up. But as it stands now, we'll load her up a little bit dirty. Our pride bruised a little bit. Dad's more than anybody's, I can guarantee
No
it.
racing on Labor Day weekend.
Yank that motor out, throw the other one back in, which probably only takes a couple hours. Let him have this one and see what we got. But man, motor issues are never good. I feel bad for anybody that's got them, and it just so happens today it's our problem. So we'll regroup strong as ever. You know how it goes, guys. We still got one good engine, Pop Power 1.0. So man, what do you do? Well, I'm still living on cloud 9 from Chase and his race last night, so you can't get me down, I can guarantee you that. Well, that's it. Federated Auto Parts Raceway, we made it. See what happens on the next one. Ain't ever a good sign when we're doing a compression check on our Pop Power 2.0, but we are.